Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. We've got a beautiful home on the very west end of Panama City Beach. You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
So today we're going to be going over near Lake Powell, almost to Inlet Beach. We're going to be right on the cusp of Bay County into Walton County, and we have this adorable 3-bed, 2-bath home that is built in the nice, quiet West End. Welcome to this beautiful open concept living space. We're out here on the West End in this 3-bed, 2-bath, beautifully open home, and it's got a yard outside. The West End of PCB is just so quiet. You've got plenty of space here in your living room. Then it opens into your dining and your kitchen, so your guests, you can all be here and enjoy each other. All right, let's go check out the other bedrooms. Welcome to the main bedroom. As you can see, there is so much space in here. You've got the bed and the extra furnishings, which should allow you to be able to see you living right here. This also has a great ensuite, exactly what you would expect, and you can see this Florida light flooding in. The other 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house, so you do have a split floor plan. And I want you to be able to take a peek outside. This beautiful little backyard gives you that little Florida oasis that you can enjoy. So for more information on this adorable home on the very west end of Panama City Beach, look at the description below and check out the listing link for all the extra details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, or ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beautiful houses like this one.